Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys. Today I'm gonna tell you how to clean up your inbox, your Gmail. We have often so many advertising mails or spam mails, and obviously it's just eating up our storage, and also we are missing out our important emails because there are so many emails. So how to get rid of that?
Stick around, I'll show you how. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon as I upload informative videos every week.
So first we will open the Google Chrome, and this is my Gmail account. Now for example, you can see here that frequently I am getting emails from this Daraz LK and this Daraz only, Daraz Mall. So I want to delete these mails, but if I delete it, it is gonna come again and again. So what should I do? I'll simply click on this, and then I'll just scroll down, and usually the mails which are coming to us, they have this unsubscribe newsletter button. So we just click this, and they're asking why do you want to unsubscribe. So irrelevant to me, and I submit the form, and you have unsuccessful. Now I will not get any email from this particular Daraz. So this is one way of doing it. And if I want to delete all these, because when you unsubscribe, it does not get deleted automatically. So what I can do, I will simply write here Daraz, and I'll press enter. And now I got all the emails from this Daraz, whether it's Daraz LK Daraz. I don't want any sort of these emails. So I'll just click select all and then click on delete. And then we have more from this. So I'll again select this and delete. So now you can see that all the emails from Daraz have been removed. So this is how easily you can remove emails if you are getting unwanted emails. So simply first unsubscribe it, and then simply if they have previously in your email, just remove it easily. Now if I click on all email, I have few more emails, unnecessary emails. So that also you can do with the same way. You have simply to write whatever the email is, the title, and then you press enter, and they will show like I have 5 emails from this. I don't want this also, so I'll just click on delete. There are not so many frequent emails from this particular company, so I just deleted it. I didn't unsubscribe. So this is how you can easily remove the unwanted emails from your Gmail. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe my channel, give it a like, and do share with your friends and family as I upload informative videos every week, and press the bell icon. Take care. Allah Hafiz.